Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show to you how to arrange your tabs vertically, horizontally, and how to arrange in order your tabs. So in other words, it will be something like this, or something like this, or something like this, and this one. But before I continue, please support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and hit also the notification bell so that you will be notified with all the new videos that I'm going to upload in this channel. And so first, let us change the order of the tabs. These are actually the tabs. There will be a time wherein you will create a Java program, or you will design a Java program wherein you will create different Java files. So in this case, I have 3 Java files right over here, and let us try to arrange them in such a way that it will be easy for me to see them or look at them or manage them. Let's say, for instance, I would like the note to be the first. Right now it is in the last, right? So I'm going to, all I need to do is click and drag the tab and just drag it horizontally, something like this. As you can see, it is moving. Okay, so this means at the first, this means at the second. And so I want it to be at the first, and so when you release the mouse, so it will be something like this. And again, one more time, I would like to place the marks to be the second. I'm just going to click and drag. This is the second. Again, this is the first, this is the second, and so I'm going to release here the mouse and it will be the second. That is what we call changing the order of tabs or the documents. Now, for instance, you would like to view 2 different codes. For example, I want to separate or view marks onto the left. It will be on the left, and the rest of my 2 programs onto the right. So all I need to do is to click and drag the marks, since I want the marks to be on the left. So I'm just going to click and drag, just go down. As you can see, there is a red line, rectangle, something like that. So that will be the arrangement. But I don't like to be like that. So there you go. So this is what I want now. So as you can see, the red line, square or rectangle. So it means it will arrange it to be something like this. So I'm going to release now my mouse, and it's there. So now you can view 2 programs at the same time. So I have here my marks here, and I have here notes.java and total marks.java. You can do this if you have a much bigger screen. It will be nice to have something like this feature, because you can view fully 2 different codes, so that it's easy for you to manage your codes. It is easy to compare 2 different programs. Now, you can also have more than 2, right? So for instance, I have here note.java, and I want it to be the same, vertically arranged. I want it to separate from these 2, so I have to click and drag. So I don't like to have something like this, or it will be going down like this, so, or like this. All right, so position your cursor into something like this, mouse cursor into something like this, and then release your mouse. There you go. So you see now 3 different programs. If you want to return it to its original, all you need to do again is to click and drag. For instance, note.java. So I'm going to click and drag, and I'm just going to attach it into something like this. All right, so I'll need to do something like this. So that means attaching it again. So I'm going to release. There you go. So same also with this total marks. So I'm just going to click and then drag and just attach it onto the same row. So I'm going to release and that's it. Let's try horizontally. So for instance, total marks, I want it to be horizontally arranged. There you go. So you just have to play around with your tab. So for example here, so this is what I want now, and so I'm going to release my mouse. There you go. So I have here my notes.java, and I have here at the bottom part my total marks.java. Okay, so as long as it is, or it will fit your screen, then it will be nice to have something like this so that you can compare your programs, and it will be easy to see the codes on both program or file. I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on my next one.